In this video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT to Google Drive. First, sign into your ChatGPT account on the web. Click your profile icon, open Settings, and then select Apps. Find Google Drive and click Connect. Next, sign in with your Google account if prompted. Review the requested permissions, then click Continue to allow ChatGPT to access your Google Drive files. Once the connection is complete, ChatGPT will begin syncing your drive. Now, return to ChatGPT and start a new conversation. You can access your connected Google Drive files whenever they're available and ask ChatGPT to summarize documents, answer questions, extract information, or help you work with files stored in your drive. After that, if you ever want to disconnect Google Drive, go back to Settings, open Apps, find Google Drive, and select the option to disconnect the app. You can reconnect it at any time by following the same steps. Finally, keep in mind that Google Drive integration is available only on supported ChatGPT plans, so some accounts may not have access to this feature. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect ChatGPT to Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.